The Jamaica Public Service Company announced last week it's seeking a rate adjustment which could see customers paying more for electricity. But over in Old Harbour Base in Catherine, residents say for the past months they've already had to dig deeper in their pockets for electricity bills. We have the details in this report. Old Harbour Base and Catherine shopkeeper Miss Jewel nervously opens her electricity bill. She's nervous because in recent times her bills have totaled more than $100,000. Now to the big reveal.
The amount is $336,000. I just have 2 fridges running and I lock up early by 7 o'clock I close. I'm just a bulb there and 2 bulbs around there. I don't have no outside bulb.
We need a flat rate, and I guarantee if the people in Old Harbour Bay get a flat rate, we will have more people in the community paying bills.
And she's not the only one who has concerns. More business people came forward with electricity bills in hand. We observed that some had balances brought forward. This shopkeeper's bill moved from $16,000 to over $62,000 in April. That, she says, has since increased to over $120,000.
Sometimes I can't buy back my goods. When me don't pay a light bill, and I have no money left, me can't work to pay a light bill, and me have 2 pennies to go to school.
Me niece get one light bill for 17,000. Oh God, man, from 17 to 78,000. What we about, so? JPS is wicked to poor people. And me say we need a competition.
We need to represent somebody from down at JPS to come and keep on meeting with we. We want to represent, we want somebody from down there to come and represent we and sit down and talk to we. And give you a proper, decent talk because good God, man.
From shops to homes, the cry was the same. The people went to great lengths to show us their level of energy consumption, complaining that the current charges are unjustified. Lloyd Grant is the councillor for the Old Harbour South Division.
I'm also a victim of those high light bills from JPS. What I get to understand is that the system that we have in Old Harbour Bay is a system that they call the RAM system, I think it is. It is a computerized system, so you don't have a meter at your house. What it does, they read those meters, I think, from the head office in Kingston.
When we contacted the JPS, we were told that the residents have not lodged a formal complaint. The JPS, however, highlighted some irregularities in the area, among them electricity theft and customers subletting electricity. The Light and Power Company, however, admitted that it was experiencing challenges with its meter readings. The residents are being asked to contact the Old Harbour Bay office as the issues can only be resolved on a case-by-case basis.